Hey guys! Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my nighttime skincare routine. My skin goes through a lot of beatings and sweat and tears, grossness and oiliness and dirtiness throughout the day, so I need some help. My skin's like pretty oily, sometimes in the winter it can be kind of on the drier side, and then I also have pretty acne prone skin, so we're gonna be doing my skincare routine today with a little help from Duvolle, the Duvolle Radiance Skincare System. So Duvolle is this site that has like skincare and hair care products, and I've been using the Radiance Skincare System lately, and I feel like it's been helping my skin a lot. I've been using it for like almost a month now. I do have a 70% off code for you. If you just use code MERA, you can get 70% off, which is a lot. With the 70% off, you can get the skincare system for like $43. It's a steal. It's a steal of a deal, my friends. Okay, so getting into my skincare routine, I'm just gonna peel my eyelashes off. So satisfying. I feel like a weight has just been lifted off of my eyeballs. Okay, so the first thing that I always do with my skincare routine at night is I like drench my face in coconut oil. I have this coconut oil. I've had it forever. It lasts so long. I don't use my coconut oil for like cooking or anything, so I just like scoop my hand in there and just grab like a tiny little bit, rub it between my fingers, and then I put it on my face. I focus this mostly kind of like on my eyes and my eyebrows, and then throughout my face, and then I just let it sit for a few minutes, and this just really like melts all your makeup off, and especially for like mascara, or if you wear like waterproof mascara or eyeliner, this will just like melt it away. So I just let it sit on my skin for like a couple minutes. So I'll usually maybe like hop in the shower or like do something, or like on my phone, or like I'm gonna remove my nail polish right now. Alright, so once the coconut oil has soaked into my skin, I use like a makeup removing wipe. I don't really care what kind of like makeup remover I use, because all it's doing is taking off my makeup, and then I just wash my face afterward anyways. So I literally just always buy makeup wipes from like Winners. They're super cheap and you get a lot, so yeah. Ew, look at that. I went ham with my makeup today. Once that's all gone, now it's time for the fun part. The Radiance Skincare System comes with 5 brush heads, and it has 2 speed settings. So the first speed setting is for like just kind of like exfoliating and gentle cleansing, and the second one's for like deep cleansing. I noticed on the box it says requires 2 AA batteries, but it needs 4. So the reason why this is so amazing for your face is that it like by using like a spin brush, it like really gets into your pores. So this is the spin brush, this is like the on button, and then the speed button. I already have like the regular like face cleansing brush on there, and then it comes with a stand to like put it in, and then I just put this baby by my sink and she's there for me. So this face cleansing brush, it's the gentle face cleansing brush. It is super gentle. I was a little worried that using like a spin brush would be a little bit too abrasive for my skin. It removes dead skin cells. It really gets underneath your pores and gets like the deep dark depths of dirt out of your pores, which is awesome. And by doing so, you get beautiful radiant skin. And then there's an exfoliating face brush. This one, it's like a little bit more firm than the gentle cleansing brush. I actually, the first time that I used this, I got the brushes mixed up, and I used this one just like wash my face. Like for me personally, my skin is a little bit sensitive. It was like really rough, and I was like, girl, I cannot do this to my skin every day. I'm gonna have to send this back. But then I used the gentle face brush, and it was actually really nice. But this one would be really good just to use like once or twice a week to exfoliate your face with. Just kind of get an even deeper cleanse in there. Exfoliating can improve the look of your skin's texture, and then kind of let your pores just take in all the treatments we're giving to it. I actually find too that since I have been using this spin brush, my skin texture has gotten so much better. Like I don't have like bumps on my skin anymore. Like it's smoother than it was. I'm also not like breaking out as bad. Like I still have breakouts. I mean, it's near the holidays, gotta eat them holiday sweets and the chocolate, am I right? And then it comes with a pumice stone attachment, which is awesome for like rough skin, like on your elbows, your feet, your knees. Great for removing calluses or like really hard dry skin. And it comes with this big old body brush. Exfoliates, removes dead skin cells all over your body. It's really good for using before you self-tan. It's a nice way to exfoliate instead of just rubbing body scrub all over, you know? And then it also comes with a nail file attachment, which is awesome. Speeds up the nail filing process. It's like having your own nail drawer. So this thing literally can be used all over your body. And the whole thing is also water resistant, so it's super safe to like use in the shower for when you're like scrubbing your body or if you want to wash your face in the shower, which I've heard that's not good to wash your face in the shower. I don't really know why, but yeah. Anyways, all my makeup is off and it's time to wash my face with the spin brush. So I'm just gonna like wet my face, wet the brush. And for cleanser, I kind of go between these two. So this one is from Aveda. It's Botanical Kinetics Purifying Gel Cleanser. This one's really good for oily skin. I really like it because for like oily skin, I find that some things that are made for oily skin will like dry my skin out too much, which then causes your skin to be even more oily because it's being stripped and all dried out. But this is just like really nice. It like removes the excess oil, but your skin is like still soft. And then I alternate it with this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser for sensitive skin. It's just like a mild soap. I did find that this one was honestly like too soft and gentle for me, but when I started using with the spin brush, it was fine. I don't know, I heard somewhere that it's good to like alternate your cleansers because if you just use one, your skin will like get too used to it and then it'll just go back to the way it was before you started using the cleanser. So I just kind of alternate between these ones. So I just put like 2 pumps of this on my brush. They actually give you instructions on the proper way to kind of like use this on your face too. I don't really know if I'm doing it right, honestly, but I just go all over my forehead. I think I always just use the best setting, honestly. Just straight back and forth on my chin and jaw. All done. Look how disgusting that is. It used to be white like the exfoliating one and now it's just covered in makeup. That's how awesome this thing is. Yeah. That's pretty gross. And it's like super easy to clean. Like a lot of times everything will just come out with just some like warm water. Sometimes I use soap to clean it. Pat dry with a clean towel. And then if I exfoliate my skin, I do this probably 2 to 3 times a week. And I sometimes will only do it when like if I wore like a lot of makeup that day and my skin just like feels so disgusting. I use a St. Ives Blemish Control Apricot Scrub. It has salicylic acid. Apparently this kind of isn't that good, but I really like it and it's really cheap. I will also say that since I've been using the spin brush, I have like slight like weird acne scarring where like I'll have a pimple and the pimple will go away, but it's still like a red dot, but like it's smooth, so it's not a pimple, it's like a scar, I guess. And I find that it's been getting a little bit better since I started using this. And like I said earlier, my skin texture has gotten a lot better. Like I used to have pretty bumpy skin, it was gross, and now it's like smooth. Guys, I've even been getting compliments at like work and from friends saying my skin's been looking smooth, okay? It's the spin brush. And then what I do is I tone my face. I just like squirt this stuff on like a cotton pad and wipe it on my face. I just kind of alternate between these two from Mario Badescu. So one of them is Cucumber Cleansing Lotion and the other one is Special Cucumber Lotion, and I have no freaking idea what the difference is, so I just alternate. I feel like since I started like toning my face too, like using this stuff to tone my face, my acne has gone down like a lot. I'll insert pictures of my old acne. I should have done that already. I should have mentioned my acne already. And also like toners, like I don't know if you can tell, but it's all like it's yellow from the color of the toner, and then there's a little bit of like dirt. I just feel like toning your face with like a cotton pad after just gets rid of like anything that you might have missed. And then I don't know if you can tell, but I like look like I have black eyes for some reason. So I use this eye cream from Aveda. It's called Tulisara Wedding Eye Mask. Use this at night. It's so heavy, but like I feel like it's good. Like I feel like my under eyes are getting a lot of moisture when I use this. And then I just tap it on with my ring finger because it has a super soft touch apparently. And then I just put any excess kind of like above my eyes because I don't know, I saw somebody do that once and I thought it looked like could be good for my eyes. And then I just use the Natural Moisturizing Factors plus HA from The Ordinary. I feel like this, if you have like oily, like problematic skin, I just feel like this works like so well. Like it's not, I feel like I'm getting moisturized, but it's not too heavy, you know? And it's not like mattifying or anything. Like it just kind of like keeps you looking natural. And if you are someone who like puts serums and stuff on your face, this stuff is really good just for like sealing all that in. Always bring your moisturizer down to your neck because a lady's age shows in her neck. I feel like I already look old. I'm only 21. And then the last thing I do is I use the Mario Badescu drying lotion. Originally I saw Kylie Jenner use this. I think it was Tana Mojo had it because Kylie Jenner used it, so I was like, I'm gonna use that too. And then I'm just gonna put on my pimples. Sometimes I don't look at all this like redness, and a lot of that's not acne, it's just like red spots. How do I get rid of that? It seriously, I think, has gotten a little bit better since I started using the skin brush, but like I just want to have normal colored skin. Sometimes I literally can't tell what's a red spot and what's a pimple, so I just put it on everything. And that, you guys, concludes my skincare routine. I like to think that I keep my skincare routine pretty simple because I don't know, I've tried lots of different things in the past, and I did hear someone say that it's good to like keep your skincare routine simple because if you're always doing a lot of shit to it, it might just make it worse. I don't really know though. You know, I'm still young, I still have time to figure out what works best for me, but I would definitely highly recommend this brush. I feel like it's been helping a lot. Like I'm not even, like I swear, like people have been noticing that my skin's gotten smoother. It's amazing. But yeah, anyway guys, don't forget that I have a discount code for 70% off the spin brush. Code Mara. Use code Mara and get 70% off. I'll leave the link to the site down below in the description. I'll also leave my products down below in case you're interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did. Comment your skin type. Like and subscribe. Have a wonderful, fantabulous day and peace out.